Amazon started as an online bookstore. It was 1994. Back then, the internet was still in its infancy, and the idea of buying books online was revolutionary. Jeff Bezos, the founder, saw an opportunity to create something new. People thought, who needs books delivered to their door? They were used to visiting their local bookstores, enjoying the smell of fresh pages and the experience of browsing shelves. Turns out, a lot of people did. Amazon grew rapidly, expanding its inventory and improving its delivery systems. The convenience of having books delivered to your doorstep was unmatched. It sold more than books. It became a giant. Soon, Amazon was selling everything from electronics to clothing and even groceries. The company revolutionized the way people shopped. Amazon needed a lot of computing power. To handle the massive amount of data and transactions, it built extensive data centers and invested heavily in technology. This power ran its website and its operations. The infrastructure was robust, ensuring that the site could handle millions of users simultaneously without crashing. It realized it had extra power. These servers were not always running at full capacity, especially during off-peak hours. So, it did something smart. The team brainstormed and came up with an innovative idea to utilize this excess capacity. It decided to rent this power out. This move allowed other businesses to use Amazon's infrastructure for their own needs, creating a new revenue stream. Thus, Amazon Web Services, or AWS, was born. AWS became a game changer, providing scalable and reliable cloud computing services to companies around the world, transforming the tech industry. Imagine this. Your business needs computers, lots of them, but you don't want to buy them, you don't want to maintain them either. That's where AWS comes in. It's like renting a computer instead of owning one. AWS provides all sorts of computing services. These services are in the cloud. The cloud is just a fancy word for the internet. Instead of having physical servers, you use Amazon's. It's convenient. It's also often cheaper. AWS launched in 2006. It was a big deal. At first, it was mostly used by small companies and startups, but it grew quickly. Soon, big companies started using it too. Today, AWS is the biggest cloud provider in the world. It has millions of customers. These customers range from tiny startups to giant corporations. It's a testament to how important the cloud has become. Section 4, Key Products, EC2 and S3. AWS has many products. These products are designed to help businesses of all sizes leverage the power of cloud computing. From startups to large enterprises, AWS offers a wide range of services that can be tailored to meet specific needs. These are like tools for businesses. They provide the necessary infrastructure and services to build, deploy, and manage applications in the cloud. This means businesses can focus more on innovation and less on managing hardware. Two of the most popular are EC2 and S3. These services are fundamental to many cloud-based solutions and are widely used across various industries. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. It provides scalable computing capacity in the AWS cloud, allowing businesses to run applications on virtual servers. It's like renting virtual computers. You can choose the type and size of the instance that best fits your needs, and you only pay for what you use. You can use them for anything. From running simple web applications to complex machine learning models, EC2 provides the flexibility to handle a wide range of workloads. You can host websites, run apps, and more. This makes it an ideal choice for developers and businesses looking to scale their operations quickly and efficiently. S3 stands for Simple Storage Service. It offers highly scalable, reliable, and low-latency data storage infrastructure at a very low cost. It's like a giant hard drive in the cloud. You can store and retrieve any amount of data at any time, from anywhere on the web. You can store all sorts of files. This includes everything from text documents to large video files, making it a versatile storage solution. This includes photos, videos, and documents. S3 ensures that your data is always available and protected against failures. It's very reliable and secure. With multiple layers of security and compliance certifications, S3 provides peace of mind for businesses storing sensitive data in the cloud. Section 5. The impact of AWS, a cloud revolution. AWS has fundamentally transformed how businesses operate across the globe. By providing scalable, reliable, and cost-effective cloud solutions, it has enabled companies of all sizes to innovate and grow. It's made advanced technology more accessible than ever before, breaking down barriers that once hindered small businesses and startups. Now, anyone with a vision and determination can start a company with minimal upfront costs, leveraging AWS's powerful tools and services. This democratization of technology has led to an explosion of startups and innovation. fostering a vibrant ecosystem of creativity and entrepreneurship. Amazon, through AWS, has positioned itself as a cloud giant, revolutionizing the industry with its extensive infrastructure and cutting-edge technology. It controls over a third of the cloud market, a testament to its dominance and the trust businesses place in its services. That's bigger than its next two competitors combined, highlighting its unparalleled influence and reach in the cloud computing space. This dominance shows no sign of slowing down. AWS continues to be a game changer, driving technological advancement and shaping the future of business.